Hey y'all, it's Davania and I'm coming at you with the eyelash tutorial today. Yes, that's right ladies. These are not strips, these are not my lashes, these are simple individuals. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be using 3 different types of lashes from the same brand, all from Absolute New York. I will be using ultra thick black short lashes, ultra thick black medium lashes, and classic flare black long lashes, all for $2.99 each, girl. And to top it off, I'll be using Ardell Lash Adhesive Glue. We'll be needing some spoolies, a mirror, and last but not least, some special tweezers. Okay, now we're just gonna get some light in here so we can see what we're doing, beauties. Then I'm gonna take my spoolie and brush out my lashes, just so it'll be a little easier to get all of the extensions throughout where I'm trying to go. And don't talk about my brows. I'm growing my lashes and my eyebrows out. Shout out to Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Can you read my mind? Okay, don't laugh at me, but this is my thinking phase. I'm trying to figure out how I want to customize my lashes today. And that's the beauty of extensions. You can literally make any set of lashes that you want. So I decided to start with the classic black flare long lashes, and I think I'm just going to use that as my base and then work my way down to medium and short. FYI, I think you should start with a full pack of lashes, especially if this is your first or second time, because it's very easy to make a mistake and you don't want to run out and just be looking crazy going back to the store with half a lash, okay? Now I'm taking my first lash extension and dipping it directly into the bottle of glue. This is what the tip of your lash extension should look like. Have enough glue on the top and the bottom, just so it'll be able to stick to your lash. Okay, now that I'm comfortable with the amount of long lashes I use as my base area, now I think I'm about ready to go in and start with my medium. Now that I have my camera adjusted and you can see a lot better, right now I'm just dipping my lash in the lash glue and I'm putting it directly on my eyelash. If you put it directly on your skin, it will be very painful, and for those that have sensitive skin like myself, your skin will get very irritated and red and sore. So that's why I'm putting it directly on the hairs and not on my skin. First, you are gonna look like a little spider, but that's okay. All of this is gonna come together. Now I'm taking my ultra thick black short lashes and I'm just gonna fill in all of those empty spaces. This week I went for a more natural look. You know, I usually get real dramatic on y'all, but I think I like this look today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is my end result. Like this video, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to do a tutorial on how to remove these painlessly. And I hope to see you guys next time.